How are you, my friends? Welcome back to DELUXE. Igor is back. I got this car. I just wanna tell you 2-3 secrets about this Mercedes-Benz that I'm driving right now. It's a nice, legit car, very fast, nice interior, beige color. This thing drives hot, very fast. I'm going on a parking lot to my aunt and I'm just gonna review with you. You're gonna see this beautiful car, really beautiful car. I'm gonna give you a 5 secrets about this car. What's good about this car, what's bad about this car. Yeah, you think everything good about Mercedes? Maybe, yeah, but they have problems too. Let's hit it, guys. The road, look at this, look at this right there, look at that. That's a fast car right there. Almost 90,000 miles. I'm gonna give you a good clip right now with this car. Look at this beautiful houses right here. This is my brother's house. I'm gonna pick up a kid here right now and do a review with you. So let's see what this car looks like. All right, this is the baby that I drove just now right here, Mercedes S500, black, very legit nice car. Hot unit, guys. Look at this, beautiful. It's just what you want. I just did 80 miles an hour on this car. Nice luxury car. Look at this. Ooh. That's a hot ride right there, guys. Look at my brother's dealer plates here. Look at this unit going on. Nice, cool ride. Nice. My brother is right there. Nice, fast, cool car. If you guys interesting who wants to buy this vehicle, let me know. We always got this for sale. It got this sunroof opened. We're getting ready for springtime. If you like it, leave a comment. Don't forget to put the thumbs up and subscribe for the DELUXE channel. We're in park here, right here. This is my friend's car too, Mercedes S350. He put those emblems off. He doesn't like them, but this is a hot ride too. So we got those 2 German tanks right here, Mercedes and Mercedes S500 and C350 right here. So guys, if you like those vehicles, tell me in a comment This we got this nice hot Cadillac coming out, GMC hot unit right there. Black on black. Look at this. This is a nice ride right here, guys. Right there. If you like German tanks, guys, like and subscribe. This is one of them. And this is a different one. Right there. So guys, tell me if you like these two units right here, those two black babies. Leave something in a comment good. Did this for you. Don't forget to put the thumbs up and subscribe. I reviewed this with you today. Two black German tanks right there. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.